Hello all, today we are going to see physical inventory using my Fiori application. So I will be doing the physical inventory in Fiori. So how can we do that? So first of all, we need to launch my Fiori apps. To launch my Fiori app, the T code is /n /p /2/FLP /n/UI2/FLP. Click on allow. It will take you to the Fiori script. Now you have to log in using the same EWM credential that you are logged in with your Fiori, sorry, GUI script. Okay. I have already opened Fiori. Okay. Now what I'll be doing, let me quickly open some more home screens of my Fiori application. So in Fiori, what you can do, uh, you can do all the processing, bound, outbound, physical inventory, ADH, UAD, fraud, replacement, and so on. Right. So now what I'm going to do, I'll quickly go for my warehouse monitor. Go for my warehouse monitor, and parallelly over here, I think this is loading as well. Just give us some time. Again, Fury takes a little bit when initially loading, right? And once it initially loads, then you can work freely on Fury. It's okay. So I'm giving it some time to yeah, wait for it. Search for warehouse monitors. Create physical, it's physical inventory document. Okay. So if you do not remember the Fury application name, you can go to the T port. Okay, you can absolutely go with the T port. Here I'll put my warehouse number, that is TAPL, and the monitor is SAP. Execute that. I can see the warehouse monitor. Now here I'll choose for my product. I'll choose one product that is 1620201. I'll execute. I can see all the line items for that product itself. Right? And if I select this particular line item, I'll set a flag. You can see flag is not set. Now the flag is set, and then I'll quickly save it to create a physical embedded document. The document is 1310034. Now I will go to, let me go to process physical inventory. Physical inventory. Okay, so process physical inventory now came up. Let me parallelly do one thing. Let me parallelly open on the screen. Okay, so here I'll put 10034. I'll execute. Now I'm able to see. Okay, I've already created the physical inventory document. I am able to see it is already active, and I need to do what counting. Okay, let me go to counting. Fine. Now, how can I perform counting? To basically count it, it's already active, right? So I click on count. As soon as I click on count, I need to give the counter details. That is my user ID, S22 EWM 51 is my user ID. Then I'll be choosing the date, that is today's date, that is 17. Okay, I'll click on continue. Now the counting has been started. Now what I'll do, I'll go down. Here what I can say multiple line items. I'll select all of them. I'll go to the form. Here you can see I have one storage bin where I'm at what I'm having. I'm having a product, loose product. What is the quantity? That is 62. Suppose for an example, I'm making this as like also 60. Okay, earlier it has 62. Now I'm saying I'm having 65. I'll hit enter. I'll go to the next line item. The next line item is having what? HG inside this. That is 598. No problem. This is level one. It is saying the parent object is storage bin, and inside I have an heavy HG. I cannot count the HG. Inside the HG, I'll have a product. I can count that product. So here it is. How much it is saying? It is saying 44. So now what I say, okay, let me make it, maybe I'll make it 40. I'm having 40. 5 got lost or 5 got damaged or something happened, right? Let me quickly now save it. As soon as I save it, what you can see the status has been changed to what? Counted. From counting, the status is already been changed to counted. Right? And if you scroll to the right, here you can see 60 and 40. This was 62. I made it 60, so -2. This was 44. I made it 40, so -4. So total -6. I posted a difference of -6. Now, if I take this bin, let me copy this bin. Let me come to warehouse monitor. I'll go to storage in bin. Give this particular bin and execute. What I can see the physical stock over here. I see this product 201. Let me put a filter on the product 1620201. How much I can see 62 and 44, right? The HG is 44. The list product is 62. This will change to 60. This will change to 40. Okay. Now let me come over here and quickly post the difference. I'll click on post difference. Then I'll quickly save it. As soon as I save, what happens? The document it says what posted. The status is posted. Now, if you come back to the warehouse monitor, if you hit refresh, you can clearly see this change to 60, this change to 40. Fine. Now what I'll do, I will go to an MVP to see the stocks. Okay, to display the stocks. What will be the warehouse? In my warehouse will be TAPL, my product will be 1620201. Right? And then I'll be executing. I see how many? 10,025. Right now, 6 quantities will be gone from this. Right? It will become 19. Okay. Let me go to our key code over here that is called difference analysis. Okay, difference analyzer. Analyze difference. Okay, this is the Fiori type product, right? And the product is 1620201. Here, what you can see two differences. Okay, one, the cumulative, that is 6 differences. If you go down here, you can see the item -4 and -3. Two differences I did for two different, like the same document, two different lines, right? So here you can see same document 10034. I can create, I have already created this difference. Now what I need to do, I need to click on post. Yes, I want to clear it. So now it is clear. So the differences are clear. If you come to stocks overview, it's 10025, right? As soon as I hit refresh, this is changed to 90. So 6 quantities are subtracted from this. So this is how you can create a physical image document, process that physical image document, make the posting in my own EWM side, and also use my difference analyzer to post the difference in my S4HANA side as well. So this is how you can use Fiori to do your physical inventory as well. So that's all from this video. Thank you all. See you in next video.